Today is World Population Day. The year is very important as the 7th billionth child is going to be born in this year. Who is going to be the lucky one? The time will tell us, and that's the importance of this Population Day this year. Apart from that, as far as India is concerned, it's a good news because the new census has shown that ultimately the population of India has started going down. The rise which was there earlier is now showing a downward trend, though the large number of children born, because of the big numbers, the number is still increasing overall, but the percentage is going down. But the main concern in India is the following sex ratio because of indiscriminate sex-selective abortions. If we really want to cut down on that, we need to change the law. The current law is that abortions are allowed up to 20 weeks, and most of the sex-selective abortions are done between 12 and 20 weeks. If we really want to control that problem in our country, we need to ban sex-selective abortions between 12 and 20 weeks to be allowed only on medical grounds, only by specialized centers. Apart from that, when we talk about overcrowdedness, that means when if the population is much more than the space available they are living, we can have a lot of diseases like rheumatic heart disease because of sore throat, respiratory droplet infection, respiratory nuclei infections, all these problems will come. We know the theory that when a person is coughing or sneezing, somebody should be sitting minimum 3 feet away. Is that possible in India? The answer is no. Therefore, whenever you have a crowded population, you have more chances of upper and lower respiratory tract infections.